Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Aviator Sunglasses. These are really nice sunglasses and you can be able to purchase a variety of different pairs, different designs at a fraction of a cost in comparison to name brands. So today I'm going to review my thoughts on the sunglasses, and I'll leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested to purchase this item. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, this is one of the designs that Aviator had for their sunglasses. And you can see right here, very nice design, texture, build quality, very lightweight. I like how the nose pieces are with the frame itself, really nicely screwed in. It feels like a very high quality product. You can see, let me go ahead and go into the side right here. Very nice, elegant design. Now they've got different colors, different designs. Like I said before, this is the non-polarized lens, but you're able to also pick up a polarized version of this. And it's not heavy. This one is pretty lightweight, especially with all the metal trimmings and pieces on it. I was very surprised on that. In my opinion, this is a very nice designed sunglasses. Costs about $75 or $80 after tax. So in my opinion, that's not bad of a price for a really well quality made sunglass. Actually, to be honest, if it looks like a Gucci or very high-end designer sunglass. And this is the website right here. Again, I'll leave the link down below in the description for the website. You can see right here, this is a classic AVA, they call it, classic luxury unique sunglasses. And like I was saying before, there are different colors, variety of different colors you can be able to pick from. So there's not only one color. And this is about roughly $90. So these are the different designs. This is made of wood in terms of the frame. You got female versions, male versions, so there's a variety of different type of lens they have. They even have the polarized and mirror reflected lens for them. In my opinion, this is a very nice quality. Hoping that I can review a variety of other ones for you. We'll have to see. You even have these right here where you've got these magnetic sunglasses with dual function. So if you want something that's nearsighted, you have that ability. So again, nice design, nice quality, and if you guys are interested in some of the specs of it, again, I'll leave the link down below in the description if you'd like to read it. But overall, I think that they've done a phenomenal job. With that said, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below in the description, and subscribe for more videos. I am reviewing a variety of different sunglasses, name brands, non-name brands, to give you guys a informed choice on what to purchase. So with that said, thanks for watching. Check you guys out the next video.